Hello, hello, hello. Great day, great day, great day. I am going to be talking about gratitude lists, journals, book pads, whatever you put down on paper in forms of gratitude. Not things that you want, just gratitude. There's a difference. Your wishes and wants and desires, and then there's just plain simple gratitude. So I'm talking about gratitude and the effects of just writing it down or just thinking about it or just having it basically around you like a positive vibration. Over the past couple of weeks, I've had quite a number of my clients and friends and students I've been talking to, and they're all telling me, I'm doing my gratitude list. I'm so excited about that. I'm like, that's great, fantastic, on to the next. They're like, why am I brushing it off? I'm like, it's gratitude. You don't need to be praised for giving gratitude. So when somebody's calling me and say, oh, I did my gratitude list, I'm like, oh, great. Did you write it 100 times a day? No. Oh, that's gratitude. A lot of people just write, I'm so thankful for this, I'm thankful for my car, I'm thankful for my health, I'm thankful for my wife, I'm thankful for my husband, I'm thankful for my children. You're supposed to do that. You don't need to be given a ribbon or a prize when you do it. The only time I could say you should really get some consideration and a tap on the back is when you're doing one affirmation 100 times a day in writing. Then I'll congratulate you. That's a lot to do. That's what I did. So, journals. Journals are great. You're supposed to be journaling. You journal your bills. You write bills, you write a bill and you know how you're going to spend it. You're journaling your bills. So you're going to journal. So journaling, some people journal, some people don't. I don't. If you do, power to you. I don't journal. I just write on paper. And I organize my papers. But what I do is one of my mentors taught me, I think you can see that, a book of wins, where you just write your wins. You woke up in the morning, that's a win. You gave somebody a coffee or somebody gave you a coffee, that's a win. You found a penny. As simple as it may sound, the universe doesn't know a penny or $1 million. One day you'll find a penny. Another day you might get a contact for $1 million. So I write all my penny finds I have in here. It's a win. You have to trick your mind into winning. So I've been keeping this for the past 2 years since I heard about it in 2023. So I always tell people, they're like, oh, but I keep a gratitude list. This is not a gratitude list. This is not a journal. It's a specific book of wins. It creates an energy field around it. After 3 months, you'll be thanking me. After 6 months, you'll be paying me to give you more advice on what you can do with this. It creates an energy of your wins, your accomplishments, your achievements. You can sit down and look at something here and be like, oh, wow, I found a penny. I got my first YouTube comment. Now I'm monetized. That's funny. I got a haircut for free. Found a penny. Received a gift cash of 500. Whoa, shit. See what I mean? It's a wins book. Let me put that back here. More on that. We're talking about gratitude. So, just as we have social media, you don't have to be on social media to be affected by social media. Somebody's going to tell you the cost of eggs is expensive. Inflation is going up. Those all have to be erased by one sentence in gratitude. Thank you. That's one for one. So if you're scrolling down social media and you're seeing 15, 16, 17, 18 19 different distractions, you might want to write a couple lines of gratitude or simply keep saying thank you 19 times. Let it equate itself out. As you're getting all this negativity coming in from everywhere, even in YouTube, you can watch some other people's video and all of a sudden you're getting really angry. You watch my video and you can feel the love. I love you in the back there. Yeah, I really do love you in the back there. I give love. So that's how gratitude works. So one will erase one. You're in the car driving, somebody cuts you. You're going to have a feeling. Most people are negative feelings because somebody cut you off. You got to say something in gratitude, one for one. So when you wake up in the morning and you're not even writing anything down, I don't know where you're starting off with. Just write something. Think it in the morning. That's it. Just snatch up some gratitude steps in. If you don't want to write, I personally don't write gratitude statements every day. I used to. I still do when I'm doing a concentrated effort of doing things. I'll write it in my left hand 100 times. The same thing over and over again. I am lucky. I am lucky. I've been saying I am lucky since 2011. I'm very lucky. Extremely lucky. You're lucky. We're lucky. So when it comes to gratitude, have a form or a way that you share gratitude. You can write it, you don't have to write it, you can think it, but have a way in which you do it. Don't expect to be praised for writing gratitude lists. That's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to be thankful. You don't need a trophy. So that's one thing you should do. What you need a trophy for is if you're saying it and writing it down countless times a day. There was a book, it's from Rhonda Byrne, called The Magic. She's giving like 30 days of tips for gratitude. I did that process about, I don't know, 4 or 5 times. You should get a copy of it. It's called The Magic. It will blow your mind when it comes to gratitude. A lot of people are like, oh, I'm doing a gratitude list. I know I did it all. You're supposed to do gratitude lists. You step out of your house and you're bombarded with negativity. Your friends and your family are in your ear all day long about what's going on in the world. Most of you don't even have a good support system that can just feed you positivity. You should go and join my club over there that I'm a member of. It's a fantastic club where they just everybody supports everybody else. I'll leave a link in the description to get the club. That was founded by Kevin Trudeau, who did Your Wish is Your Command. It's a great club where everybody comes together and supports one another. Not the yickety-yakety of friends and family and co-workers and neighbors that you're accustomed to. That will cause you to have issues and feelings. So to counterbalance that, keep a journal for those of you who like journals. For those that like gratitude lists, keep writing your gratitude lists. But remember, you have to keep writing it to deflect all the negativity around you. I mean, you can listen to audio books and audios and on stuff that will help you to push it out, or you can read, but you have to have something that keeps all that negativity at bay. You all know what I'm talking about. There's a negativity that just comes in when you're trying to think of something and there's distractions coming in. You need to find a way to keep it out and always be in that sense of gratitude. That's something I learned from my mentor. Another little really quick tip and trip for most of you who are into the business world. If you're into business, you're an entrepreneur, you have your own establishment, please get yourself a copy of Karmic Management. It's a very short read, extremely short read. It'll blow your mind on the concepts of running your business. You've all been running your business, but you haven't been running your business the karmic way. I've been running my business the karmic way for almost 20 years now. Actually 20 years. It's my 20th anniversary of my business. So keep that in mind. I didn't want to make this video a long video. I wanted to get straight to the point about gratitude lists and journals and books and anything you want to keep towards staying focused. But also remember at the same time, look for other ways to give love, to give hope, to give in your mind out. So let me go until the next video. I love you guys. I really do.